Okay, let's be honest. If you're a solopreneur, you've probably felt it. You are drowning in a sea of AI tools. Every single one promises to be a game changer, the one that's finally going to solve all your problems. But at the end of the month, you're just tired. You're working harder than ever and you're not seeing the results. Here's the thing. The problem isn't the tools. The problem is that you're using them all wrong.
So let me ask you this, and I want you to really think about it. Are you collecting AI tools, or are you building an AI system? Because see, those are two totally different things. One is like having a garage packed with fancy power tools that are just gathering dust. The other is like having a perfectly tuned engine that runs your business for you even when you step away. It's a night and day difference.
Most of us, and I mean most of us, are stuck in what I call the tool collector's trap. You see a new AI app on social media, you get that little jolt of excitement, you sign up for the free trial, you play with it for a couple of days, and then poof, it's on to the next shiny object. It's this endless cycle of digital distraction, and it's killing our progress.
And this right here, this is the mindset shift that will change everything for you. Collecting tools is not, I repeat, not the same as building a system. It's the difference between having a big pile of bricks sitting in your yard and having a skyscraper. One is just a collection of stuff. The other is a powerful engine for growth.
Okay, check this out, because this is where the rubber really meets the road. The old way on the left, that's all about chasing hype, jumping on trends, looking for that one magic tool. It's a one-way ticket to burnout and bottlenecks. But the Wings AI way on the right? Well, that's different. It's about building a structured, strategic system that turns AI into your business co-pilot. It's about finally working smarter, not just harder.
So, how do we actually build this thing? It's not some abstract theory. We start right here, on the ground floor. Level 1, systematic execution. This is where we put on our practical implementer hat. We're going to get our hands dirty and build the foundation that everything else relies on.
You know, the biggest mistake I see people make at this first level is what I call reactive prompting. It's basically playing a guessing game with the AI. You ask a random question, you get a kinda, sorta, okay answer, and you're no closer to solving a real business problem. We need to flip that. We need to move to systematic prompting, where you have a library of pre-built, tested prompts designed to get you the exact result you need every single time.
And this is what a real system looks like in action. A great prompt isn't about being clever or fancy, it's just about being clear. Look, you give the AI a specific role, you give it the context it needs to do the job right, and you tell it the exact format you want the output in. This is how you turn a generic, all-purpose AI into a highly trained specialist that works just for your business.
So what's the bottom line here? It's simple. At level 1, it is all about tangible return on your investment. We're talking about hours saved every single week. If you can't look at your calendar and physically point to the time you've gotten back from repetitive tasks, well, then you haven't really built level 1 yet. It has to be measurable.
All right, so once you've mastered level 1 and you're saving time on individual tasks, it's time to level up. This is where the real magic, the real leverage begins. At level 2, we're still thinking like that practical implementer, but now we're connecting those level 1 tasks together into powerful, automated workflows that can honestly transform your business. Level 2 is the difference between saving, 10 minutes writing an email and saving 4 hours every single time you onboard a new client. So I want you to think about this for a second. Right now, what's the one boring, repeatable thing you do in your business that you just absolutely dread? Whatever just popped into your head, that's your prime target for a level 2 workflow.
Let's just take the most common broken workflow for solopreneurs, client onboarding. It's usually a total mess. But with an AI system, instead of starting from scratch every time, you build a simple 3-step workflow. It generates a custom checklist for the client, it personalizes your welcome emails, and it drafts the entire kickoff document for you. Boom. That is what real leverage looks like.
And the results, they're just staggering. Look at this. What used to take you 4 hours, basically half a day of painful admin work, now takes you about 45 minutes. And that's for every single client. This is how you free yourself up to focus on the things that actually matter, like doing amazing work for those clients.
So, we've built our foundation. We've created automated workflows. We're saving a ton of time. But we're not done, not even close. Now it's time to ascend to level 3. This is where we take off our practical implementer hat and we put on our visionary strategist hat. This isn't just about doing things faster anymore. This is about using AI to think better and make smarter decisions that will define the entire future of your business.
And the absolute key to level 3 is something called the business context file. Think of it as a living document, a brain for your business that you feed to your AI. It has everything: your mission, your goals, your ideal client profile, your services, your current challenges, everything. You see, the quality of the strategic answers you get out of an AI is directly proportional to the quality of the context you put in.
And when you do this, your AI stops being just a tool. It becomes a true co-pilot. It sits right there at the center of your business, informing every strategic decision you make. For the first time ever, a solopreneur can overcome their single biggest bottleneck: bandwidth. You only have so much time and brainpower. Level 3 removes that bottleneck. It gives you the power to go toe-to-toe with businesses 10 times your size.
So what's the ultimate payoff? Why go through all the trouble of building this 3-level system? It's not about being trendy or using the latest tech. It is about building a durable, lasting competitive advantage that will set you so far apart from the competition, they won't even see you anymore.
Which brings us right to the core idea of this entire explainer. A tool advantage doesn't last. Anyone can subscribe to the same software you use, but a systems advantage, a well-designed machine that weaves AI into the very DNA of how you operate, that, my friends, is a true competitive moat. And frankly, in the world we live in now, it's the only advantage that really counts.
I mean, a business with a level 3 AI system is just playing a completely different game. You're not just working more efficiently, you're making smarter decisions. You're delivering faster, better results. You're scaling your business without hiring a single person. You know, the gap between the people who have this and the people who don't is getting wider every single week. So the only real question is, which side of that gap do you want to be on?
So I'm going to leave you with this one question to think about. Right now, today, in your business, is your AI a glorified calculator that you use for a few one-off tasks, or is it a strategic co-pilot that's actively helping you build the business you've always dreamed of?
Now, if you're ready to stop collecting and start building, we've got your back. We put together a system starter kit, and it includes the exact templates we talked about today, the framework for that critical business context file, and the exact prompts for that 3-step client onboarding workflow. This is everything you need to go from being a tool collector to a system builder, starting today. To get the full kit sent to you right now for free, just comment the word "system" below this explainer. It's time. It's time to stop collecting tools and start building your real, unfair advantage. The future's already here. Are you ready for it?